So I really want to turn something. I may have an idea. After some deliberations, I decided that I will do a small goblet from this, and maybe I will have a smaller matching goblet or some cup from this, and finally some kind of a bowl from this. For now, this one. I got a picture in my mind what I'm gonna do with this. Like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, somewhere here will be the bottom, this will be the top. Okay. So let's try. Okay. Nope. Okay, yep.
Let's go!
Tiny bit more. I need to clean up this part and then actually drill inside and maybe carve inside. We almost goblet shape. I just reduce more so I know my edges of uniform-ish. Oh, I have to completely remove this part. Okay, so now experimental operation. I will need to define the depth, and for that part I will use the Forstner bits. Lowest speed. Start. Should I do smaller one? Anyhow, I think I'm temporarily done with this thing, and now the fun part. Hopefully this will work. Hopefully. Just in case. This is so much fun. so much fun. This wood is not tasting. Decent, actually, decent. The only thing I don't like is the ridges. I thought I was able to get them, but apparently I didn't. I saw people using the ball gouge as a negative rake scraper. So is this the appropriate way to use it? I guess I will have to do some sanding. Okay, I'll accept this as the goblet inside and we'll continue for the outside portion. I'm almost done. That's the depth. Again, that's the end-ish. A lot of stuff here I need to remove. Then what I have the deepest point is here. Stand this way. Okay. Okay. Okay, I declare done and just do some sanding. Just in a few seconds I'm gonna apply boiled linseed oil. It's not really protective finish, but kind of nice. It's easy to apply and it's nice. Contrast. Okay, I can wait a few minutes until it penetrates, then wipe it off. And I think I will do carnauba wax. Okay, let's pretend it has been here for long enough. Okay. Whee! Woo! Now I want something. I want this goblet. I don't know what I can do with it, but it's pretty cool stuff. I think the inside is even better than the outside. Outside is like meh. Inside is really good. I'm really happy. That is the video. Took me forever, honestly. Don't forget to like the video. If you didn't check my TikTok, you can also check that. And see you next time.